feather of my art. And together and as one, in one voice and one accord, we read the 42 laws. We recite the 42 laws together and as one. I have not done iniquity. I have not acted with violence to anyone or anything. I have not robbed with violence. I have done no murder. I have done no harm. I have not defrauded temple offerings. I have not diminished obligations. I have not plundered the nectar. I have not spoken lies. I have not snatched away food. I have not caused pain. I have not abused my sexuality. I have not caused the shedding of tears. I have not dealt deceitfully. I have not transgressed or angered God. I have not acted guilefully. I have not laid waste the plowed land. I have not borne false witness. I have not set my lips in motion against anyone. I have not been angry and wrathful except for a just cause. I have not committed adultery, not taken the wife of any man, the husband of any wife. I have not lusted nor committed fornication. I have not polluted myself. I have not caused terror. I have not spoken evil. I have not burned with rage. I have not stopped my ears against the words of right and truth, my art. I have not worked grief. I have not acted with insolence. I have not stirred up strife. I have not judged hastily. I have not been an eavesdropper or pried into matters to make mischief. I have not multiplied my words exceedingly. I have not done harm nor ill. I have not dishonored the ancestors. I have not fouled or wasted the water. I have not spoken scornfully. I have not cursed the nectar. I have not polluted the earth. I have not defrauded the offerings of the nectaroon. I have not plundered the offerings of the blessed dead. I have not mistreated children. I have not mistreated animals.